Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. I'm Mithat Chauhan. Today let's go further on our Docker Docker Hub series where actually I'm go through deploy our web application using Azure Container App with Azure CLI. So let's get start with our first Docker Hub. As you can see, we are actually pushed already the image in our Docker Hub account, which is showcased it to you in our past videos. And in the last video, I already gone through how to deploy application in Azure portal with Azure Container Apps. So that was already discussed. So check it out the past videos. I'm currently go with Azure CLI especially to deploy our application. So this is our same application which we covered it out as far as now. For using Azure CLI in your VS Code, what you need to do, you need to just go to your extensions, click Azure Tools. Inside the Azure Tools, you can check it out, the first one, and just install it. After the installing, you can see this is including extension pack, which is 9. It would be installing in your system one by one. So this is, I guess it's not going to scroll down somehow. Okay, but this is the Azure Tools. You can just download it and install it and just restart your VS Code. Now, this is the virtual machine which I am using. As you can see, the SSH one. So I'm in the Linux virtual machine, not in the Mac actually. So just type ls and this is our application. As you can see, after installing the extensions, we are going to just installing Azure CLI on Ubuntu. For that, we just copy this URL, the command, and then just paste it. It will be installing the CLI in your system. Nothing much. After this, you need to just validate your Azure account with your system. So for that, just type as a login and just verify your account. After verifying, you are able to configure your Azure account in your Ubuntu. As you can see, I'm just selecting the subscription my and hit enter. After this, there's just we are creating the container apps. So how we can create a container apps? Let's first create a resource group. As you know, we must have required a resource group to first start. Let's copy this command first. Okay, Azure group, create a name, Yatri container app. This is our resource group name and this is our location, Central India. So I'm just paste this command to create our resource group. So it would be creating the resource group and our Azure portal where you configured. So I'm just open it and here you can see the details about our subscription and all. And then let's scroll down. Now we are going to create Azure Container App environment first. So for that, we need to just give the container app env syntax and create. After this, you need to just hyphen name your container app name, okay, and your resource group name, and then your location. So here I created an environment which is Yatri container app env. This is our environment. So I'm just copy this and paste it here. It will be creating our environment in our resource group which is we created. So this is a very simple concept. So now it's running and it's under process to create our environment in our Azure portal. So now just we need to wait for a few minutes and I will be back. Yes, so you can see our environment is created now and all data would be showcased in your terminal. After this, I'm go through the deploy our container app. So here I'm just go through the explanation. Here we are going to create a one container app. Here is the name of the container. Here is the resource group which we created, and this is the environment which is also we all created via this command. Okay, so this is our environment. As you need to mention your name and then our image name. This is our our username Yatri Cloud, and this is our key Yatri hyphen image colon latest. So this is where we actually get it. Go to your Docker Hub and just copy this. Okay. After this, you need to just give the port address which you export in the Docker file. So here is a Docker file. Let me showcase it to you. Yeah, this is a Docker file. As you can see, this is a expose 5173. Just you need to give the port address which you need to open. So this is one thing is that you need to give here target hyphen port. Then ingress to open your port address to publicly to anyone. You need to give external. So it will be publicly accessible. So it will be give you the link which you can access it from your browser. So for that we need to give the external, nothing else. So I'm just copy this and paste it here. Hit enter. And now it's again running. It's not taken much time, but still I'm again back after creating it. Yes, so as you can see, it's created now. Now if you change anything in your application, right, then you have to update. So how to update this is also I mentioned here. You need to just give the update command and just same as it is the name, resource group and your image. So it would be updating your code in the container. Right now, let's get the public URL which is already hosted. So I'm just copy this one and quickly I'm go through it once. Here you need to just understand this one command, query properties dot configuration dot ingress dot fqdn. This is a fully qualified domain and this is the TSV that you need to just open your qualified domain name and just getting the access of the particular URL. I'm just paste it out here and you will be getting one link. So you need to just copy this link. This is it is your application URL, the live URL where your application is live. I'm just copy this one and back to your browser. Click on the new tab and paste it here. And it's loading now. It will be take around maybe 2 to 3 seconds. So subscribe now and hit like button again if you like it out our series, and happy to see you this application. And now this is our live using our Azure CLI and this is running on Azure Container Apps. So want to quickly celebrate, just give your comment box and give me is it deploy or not from your side. If not, if any doubt, just join us today of Yatri, ask your doubt. So this is our deployment. Let's quickly go through your Azure portal and into the container apps. Here you can see it is Central India. I just created. So this is automatically reflected in my portal. So now that was very simple. As you can deploy our application using portal also, which is in the last video. And this video we already discussed on how to deploy application using Azure CLI. So yeah, bye bye and see you soon.